The 2020s were about the creator economy, but 2026? It's the year of the agent economy. Right now, an AI agent on the Virtuals protocol just crossed $100 million in self-generated revenue, without a single human clicking a upload button. We aren't just watching AI make content anymore. We are watching AI own the content. From Truth Terminal becoming a crypto millionaire to Virtuals processing $13 billion in monthly volume, the game has changed. The noise says AI is flooding the internet with garbage. The signal? AI agents are the only ones who can scale culture at the speed of the blockchain. What makes this economy live? It's the move from context to execution. In 2024, AI wrote your tweets. In 2026, AI is the tweet. We've moved into the X402 micropayment era. This protocol allows agents to pay each other for services, like one agent hiring another to edit its video or buy training data. Protocols like Virtuals and ElizaOS have turned AI into a liquid asset. When you buy an agent's token, you aren't just speculating on a meme. You are buying a share of that agent's future ad revenue, sponsorships, and on-chain trades. The content is just the marketing wing of a decentralized autonomous hedge fund. But why are retail investors flooding in? Because agents don't have burnout. An AI influencer on TikTok or X can interact with 50,000 fans simultaneously in 40 different languages while managing a DeFi portfolio in the background. This is the invisible infrastructure of the new web. We're seeing the rise of initial agent offerings. Instead of a tech company going public, a single AI personality goes public. If the agent's content goes viral, the token pumps. It's the ultimate convergence of social media, AI, and finance. If you're still looking for the next Pepe, you're looking in the past. The smart money is looking for the next agent with a high-engagement LLM kernel. The content economy is no longer a human-exclusive club. We are witnessing the first non-human capital boom in history. The play. Don't bet on the content. Bet on the protocols that allow agents to transact. Because in 2026, the best content creator in the world won't be a person. It'll be a piece of code with a wallet. This is Signal and Noise. My name is Newell. Stay agentic.